to share with you because I have no today new insights and you know want to share to you any formalities or information with you. So this is the normal and formal video for related to 60 had a challenge, and that's not important and not for useful for you. I think you should avoid it and let's do your work because in this video you have not learned anything. So just quit it because I have a challenge, so I have to do this video. So don't worry, today you can go, you maybe go, but I think you should go about and do your work if important and any urgent work for you. So let's quit it. Okay, so now uh, this is a freely and for a without an information video. So I think I have not to say anything about for me, for myself, for my strength and any weaknesses. So yeah, this is a where really like to do, but nothing like you, right? I think you understand what I am going to say today. uh, yeah, extremely sorry for that because why for sorry. So the point is कि जब मैंने वो वीडियो बनाई थी, कौन सी वीडियो, बेलीफ के ऊपर, सो उसके ऊपर बहुत ही अच्छे व्यूज आए थे. सो आई थिंक पीपल वांट्स टू सी मोर अबाउट वीडियो ऑन इट, शायद ऐसा ही कुछ है. सो आई विल ट्राई टू डू वीडियो ऑन इट. सो and nothing because as I said earlier, today is not an important and insights and any information to I'm say with you. So just quit it and do your work. Don't waste time here. Yes. कोई बात नहीं. If I am do something for you, so I am early telling you that yes, I am doing some best for you and this is an amazing knowledge I want to share with you. But today what I am do, that is not related to any information and questioning. So just quit it as I said earlier. वैसे कुछ बात तो हैं जो आपके साथ शेयर कर सकता हूँ मैं. वो है जिम्मेदारियाँ, responsibility, because we know we can compromise with our responsibility but we can't compromise with others responsibility on me, right? Let's suppose I have a responsibility to take care of a shop of any somebody he is related to me, relatives to me, right? So if he put all the responsibility on me and I'm not right to do and take that responsibility rightly, so uh, I have a question mark on it. Why? If you can't you know uh, take that responsibility and take right suggestion and questioning and take care of shops, why you are doing that? You should know कि you have to do कि आप उसके मुंह पे बोलना चाहिए I can't do that. So right. So if you have any responsibility on your, so you should know कि अगर मुझे करना है तो मुझे करना है, अगर नहीं करना है तो मुझे नहीं करना है. बस बात पूरी हुई. अगर मेरी खुद की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है तो मुझे करना पड़ेगा. if this is for me responsibility to do anything for me, I have to do. Yes, I should to know this is I know, but if somebody others responsibility on me and I want to take care of it but I can't, so just say that yes, I can't do that on their face right now. This is the reality and this is the hard truth for our society. They can't say yes and no rightly and right time. आई थिंक दिस इज़ ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया आपके लिए या फिर बेटे के लिए. एक्चुअली मैंने कहा था कि ये वीडियो आपके लिए यूजफुल नहीं, आप इसको छोड़ सकते हैं. पर मेरे को लगता है अभी कि यार इस लास्ट की कुछ चीज़ों को अगर आप देख लेते हैं जो मैंने बोला है कि वो आपके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी हो सकता है या फिर आपके लिए कुछ काम की होगी. सो आई थिंक दिस इज़ राइट फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड वॉट आई वॉन्ट टू से टू यू. आई थिंक आज मेरे अपना 80% वीडियो इंग्लिश में बनाया. सो आई एम वेरी सॉरी. एंड सेकेंडली आई डोंट नो इंग्लिश मच मोर बेटर दैन यू. यस, आपसे मुझे अच्छी इंग्लिश नहीं आती है. सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू लर्न यस ये सो हम आपके अकाउंट हम आपके चैनल में क्लाउड 365 हार्ड चैलेंज आज ही हमारा 215 वीडियो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर। तब तक स्टे कनेक्टेड, स्टे कन्फ्यूज। जय हिंद, टाटा, बाय बाय। 215 अच्छा वाला आप बताएं कमेंट करके। बाय।